Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know. What's up with you guys? Today we are back with another video. So you guys, today we are back with another video. Today I had did like a freestyle today. I wanted to do something similar to this shoe right here, but I wanted it to be a full look shoe. So yeah, this shoe is now on sale. A regular price was $170. Now it's on sale for $130. Just because I had provided the shoe this time. So yeah, the shoe is I hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I really didn't show what I used, but link in the description below. Y'all be saying, where do I get this and that from? Y'all please check the description below, because I will always leave it there 9 times out of 10. But for the jibbies and stuff, y'all, those are on my vendors list, and I am a wholesaler, but I don't like sell like them what is it called, colorful or rhinestones such as red, yellow, blue, and that type of stuff. You will have to purchase my vendor list for that. It is one of those vendors that my vendors list. My vendor list comes with 20 vendors for $60. And yeah, so if you would like to purchase that, link in description below, and we finna get straight into this video. So it turns out I did showed it. I had showed it. I am using my jewelry and metal glue. I am using a syringe, just because Walmart didn't have like the one that you can just pour on there and buy is, well, not even a pour, but it's like a tube thing on there where you can just put it on there. So I had to get the $5 one. Yeah, I just put that in my syringe, and I had used my syringe for this whole video. The syringe are like $3, I believe, and the glue like $5. The jewelry and metal glue like $3. Yeah, y'all can definitely buy this from your local Walmart. That's something that I do, because shipping and stuff, that just take longer, and I just go to my local Walmart. So yeah, I hope that helps. So right here, you guys, I had just put a charm. It's like a charm that you use for like bangles and stuff on the shoe, just because it just matches and stuff. And yeah, if you are a bangles business or just want some charms for yourself, I do sell those as well on my vendors list and on my Heavenly Beauty Wholesale's website. So you guys, on this process right here, I really just did the same thing that I did in my recent video, which was like a zigzag, but on this shoe, I did it on both sides of the shoe, like one on the right side and like one in like the middle, kind of, sort of. I'm gonna show it right here somewhere. Yeah. Bring that ass over, doors, you bring it back. I'm a big dog trying to eat the kitty cat. I'ma slide in the way it fit. I can tell we match. All up on my racks, hella cheese, for racks. Big crib in Hollywood. So I did the same thing on this part right here on my right shoe. I did the same process as the one that I just did with the zigzag and with my syringe and everything. It's pretty simple. Like when you start practicing more, and you just doing it more and stuff, it gets pretty simple. So yeah. So you guys, this is the
final touch of the first zigzag part. I think on this part right here, I just started doing the second part, which is right up here. It's gonna be like on the right side of the shoe. Yeah. I think I had fast forward this part like fast, so I'm gonna try to slow it down so you guys can see the process and know how to do it, and that it actually helps. So yeah, this part here, I decided to try something new, and with this part right here, I just made me a zigzag like in the middle of it, and I thought it was so clean, y'all. Like it was so pretty, and it was just so clean to me. But yeah, I had used my E6000 for this part, and like with this part, like you have to be real careful so you can make that zigzag so glue won't be here and there and there and there. Hope that makes sense. So right here, I think I just started filling the shoe in. I just put the glue back into my syringe, and I just started filling in the shoe. This is pretty much like gonna be the finishing a touch of the shoe when I just fill it in. So I'm gonna just let y'all enjoy this part, and I hope you guys like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about this shoe, and yeah. Let me know like what y'all think about like me with talking and stuff. Like, do y'all like when I like talk through the video? Some people like that and some don't. Like, I get negative comments and positive comments like when it comes to that. So just let me know in the comments below. And yeah. Now you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say